Hello, have you heard of the term dermal fillers but are not sure of what that means or what they do? I'm Dr. Aniket from the Venkat Center, Bangalore, and today we will talk about this topic. So, firstly, what are fillers? It's in the name, it's a filler, it fills. Basically, it is like a jelly that comes inside a syringe, which is made up of a material called hyaluronic acid. This hyaluronic acid is normally present in your skin and it comes in these syringes for us to use it inside your face. So, where are these fillers used? They are commonly used in two ways. One is volume replacement, the other is volume enhancement. Volume replacement is usually done in older people. One of the most common signs of aging is loss of volume. What I mean by this is that your cheeks become flat, you get sunken temples, you have hollow under eyes. So these are all areas where fillers can be injected to restore that volume which you had when you were young. The second group is volume enhancement. This is done in younger people where they want more volume in a particular area. Obviously, the most common example of this is in the lips. You must have seen plenty of reports of celebrities getting lip fillers done. Other common areas, one of the most common areas in India is for dark circles. Young girls, young and guys often have inadequate volume under their eyes, and this gives a very tired appearance, and fillers are a great way to improve volume in that area and improve this appearance. Another common area is the jawline. If someone has a weak jaw, we can use fillers to contour that jaw. So these are just some of the various areas where fillers are used. Now, oftentimes the question is, how long do these fillers last? Depending on the filler that is used, they can last anywhere from 9 to 24 months. So different fillers are used in different areas. People often ask, aren't there permanent fillers? There are, but those are not a good idea, because permanent fillers, if you're not happy with the result, they are extremely difficult to get rid of, and they have even many years after they are injected, they can get infected. So for these reasons, permanent fillers are not available in India. The advantage of these hyaluronic acid fillers is that they can be dissolved. If you're unhappy with the result, you can use a chemical to dissolve that filler so that it completely goes away. So what is the procedure like? It's a very simple procedure. It's a daycare procedure. It hardly takes 20 to 30 minutes. So what we do is we use a numbing cream to numb up your face so that you don't feel any pain. Then with a few pricks, we inject the filler in the area that we are looking to enhance the volume. You are back to work within the very next day. Now, usually the filler, there's a little bit of swelling after the procedure, but that comes down and you know what the final result is after a week. Apart from this mild swelling, sometimes there can be a little bit of bruising, which can be hidden with the makeup. So these are some of the most common indications of fillers. And one newer emerging trend for fillers, which is becoming extremely popular, is rhinoplasty with fillers. What this means is using fillers in the nose to change the shape of your nose. This is a very useful technique for people who want to improve the appearance of their nose, but it is important that you choose your doctor well. Fillers, when done wrongly, they can either look bad, or in the worst situation, they can lead to serious side effects such as ulcers in the skin, or they can affect your vision. This happens when fillers are injected into blood vessels, and this often happens when the person does not know what they are doing. Unfortunately, this is an area that is not regulated very well both in India and in the world. So you often have very inexperienced people attempting these procedures, which leads to complications. So make sure you find a trained dermatologist or plastic surgeon who is well versed in these techniques before you go ahead with your procedure. If you have any other doubts or questions, do feel free to get in touch. Thank you.
Here we have an example of dark circle improvement with fillers. In this area, fillers help to give a smooth junction between the eyelid and the cheek. Here is a subtle enhancement of the lips using a filler. In the lips, fillers can be used to give better definition and a better pout. Filler rhinoplasty is a good option for people who don't want to undergo surgery. Even eye bags can be improved by the use of fillers. Fillers can also be used to reduce sagging and reduce the appearance of jowls. At the Venkat Center, Bangalore, we believe in expertise, experience, and ethics.